Hi, my name's John. Welcome to another Sunday night nightcap. It's been really cold and last week I haven't spent a great lot of time in the shop. I've been coming in from work absolutely freezing cold and the house is lovely and warm and I've basically just been falling asleep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some more video up on that brass radiator cap. There's 2 more videos I can put up this weekend just to show you how the progress is coming on with that. On about the cold weather, I went for a walk this afternoon down to a local pond, a thing called the Reef. I'm sure it used to be an old pit, like a pit water and catchment thing. Anyway, we used to go fishing there when we were a lot younger. It's all frozen over, so I get some shots of the drone flying up and down there. I'll probably put some of that on, just something a little bit different. The P1 welding helmet that was kind of donated for the Christmas raffle by my friend Rob from Extreme Plasma still hasn't been claimed. That's the lad there who won it. If it's not claimed by this Wednesday, I'm going to pull another winner out of the bag, or at least I'm going to pluck another one from the internet, because I've still got, obviously, all the names are still there. Now we can actually make a start on the cap itself. I'm just going to face this nice and flat. You can see it's a little bit on the pit side where it's been cut with a hacksaw. These little button tools always give a really good finish on brass and aluminium actually. I would really like to part this off. I don't need this much material. We need half of it really, but I can't get a parting tool in there, unfortunately. A little bit more there just to clean it up. There's going to be a lot of waste on this job, that's for certain. If I still had the furnace, I would have cast a bronze ring and nail it out of that, but I'm going to have to machine it down to the right thickness and then bore it out. I have to bring it out to the chuck slightly, so I've got somewhere for the screw cutting tool and the boring tool to go through. The other way is to put it in a 4-jaw chuck. That would enable us to part it off, then it would save wasting as much material, which is what I think I'll actually end up doing. Plug it into a 4-jaw chuck and machine it there. Then I won't have a problem with the tool going right through. We'll just square this face up and do it on our own. I should have centre drilled this before I took it out of the feed yoke chuck. Would have made setting up a little bit easier. Actually, reasonably true there now, we'll settle for that. Right, I'm going to try and part it off just to save wasting that big lump of material. The bit that's in the chuck is the bit we're going to be using. I've got the lathe carriage locked off. You have to keep pushing more and more part and tool out as you go. Brass flying everywhere, as you can obviously see. Or managing to save a big lump of material. Unfortunately, it's not big enough diameter. Right, next job is to bore the hole out before we screw cut it. On the machine, a little lead on there, a little taper, the same as that one there's got, just to protect the threads. Right, I think we're happy with that. Right, this is the 12 TPI screw cutting tool. All you need to do is make sure that face there is touching the job right across square like that, and that puts that cutter at 90 degrees to the job, which is where we need it. The gearbox is set up, so I'm going to touch it off, put a scratch cut through, and then I will check it with the thread gauge just to make sure. I absolutely love the colour of this layout die. I would really like to call that colour. Right, so we'll touch it off. There. Put some cut on. And a 0. Right there, row. Right, there it goes. It's exactly the same procedure as the external thread. Exactly the same. So we've got 12 TPI. Perfect. Right, we're on gas now. Please, I stopped when I did. That bastard slack now. How's that happened, John? Right, I put the other piece of brass in I had, and I've screw cut that, and I've actually made it a nice fit, just the way I want it. Not quite sure what went wrong with the first one, but we managed to pull ourselves out of the shite as normal. I'm just going to carry on using the 4-jaw chuck, and we'll set this up to machine the OD on that piece we've been playing with. A little bit better now. Right, we need to stop taking jobs. I think that's what we need to do. I need 4mm off there, and then a slight tape I put onto it. Right, we're ready to put a taper on it now. I haven't got the centre in, so I have to be careful as I get towards the end. I'm going to change the angle very slightly. It's a little bit too steep. I'm doing a bit of eyeballing here. It's just cosmetic this now. A little bit less than that. It's starting to look the part. Now so we can screw it off now, which will be the next little issue. I've got a cunning plan if it won't come off, which I'm going to have to use. Right, so what I'm going to do is part that off. Or at least take a little bit of this away, and it should relieve the grip it's got on the. A little bit of brass should do. This is a little bit nerve-wracking, this bastard, I'll tell you. There's a sliver of brass out of there. That should be it, surely. Right. At least something's gone right.